Hello everyone, we meet again. We'll continue reading from the book of Genesis chapter 25 with the perikop title, Ishmael's Sons. This is the account of the family line of Abraham's son Ishmael, whom Sarah's slave Hagar the Egyptian bore to Abraham. These are the names of the sons of Ishmael, listed in the order of their birth. Nebaioth, the firstborn of Ishmael, Kedar, Adbel, Mibsam, Misma, Duma, Masa, Hadad, Tema, Jetur, Napis, and Kedemah. These were the sons of Ishmael, and these are the names of the 12 tribal rulers according to their settlements and camps. Ishmael lived 137 years. He breathed his last and died, and he was gathered to his people. His descendants settled in the area from Havilah to Shur, near the eastern border of Egypt, as you go toward Ashur. And they lived in hostility toward all the tribes related to them. The word of the Lord. There are 12 children of Ishmael. So Ishmael is the son of Hagar. Hagar is Sarah's slave. So Hagar bore children for Abraham. There are 12. So these are the name: Nebaioth, the firstborn, followed by Kedar, Adbel, and so on. These 12, they form kingdom, and they become king of their kingdom, of their empire. They live in the area from Havilah to Shur, near the eastern border of Egypt, as you go toward Ashur. So this is the area in the Middle East area. They lived in hostility toward all the tribes related to them. Up to now, until now, those people living in the Middle East, they are always hostile toward all the tribes, toward all other neighbors. Yeah, from Palestine, and then Egypt, Syria, Lebanon. They live in hostility toward one another, including hostility toward Israel up to now. So this has been prophesied since in the Old Testament. For those of you who have insights from the Lord, please share with us. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Your subscription will mean a lot to me and for the development of this channel. Please give it a like also, and I'll see you in the next perikop, still from the book of Genesis. Thank you, and God bless you. Jesus bless you. Jesus bless all of us.